No. That one just jumped and ran across there. It was funny. Yeah, don't be yelling here. Man, I missed that one diving in it. Have you seen them up there? Never seen one. I see testicles hanged. Well, I can see them better once they go down.
Oh.
You see the fish?
I missed the big one.
Well, he'll come back. They probably just go in a circle. Uh-oh. The guy's getting food. Now they're all going to go. Giving them something.
Looks like a chubby one.
That one?
I see his head. Have you seen that duck?
You seen that fish again?
No, the duck.
Oh, there's a duck down there?
There's a duck.
He probably swam.
His head's down there. Right there, you got it.
Whoa, whoa.
Look at the duck. He's
Oh, I'm missing it. There it is. I got it. I got it over here. Oh, it's coming up to the top. It's like right at the top there.
What kind of fish is
Yeah, I missed it. Was that still at the top? Or no?
right in front?
Well, I tried to get it at the top and then it went back in.
Right here.
It's not like they're going to cooperate. They're going to go where they feel like it.
Go the next way.
Yeah, I guess.